Hi there, Sean Stodola, Warranty Manager here at Charleston Homes, and today we're in our beautiful Jackson model in the kitchen area, and I've got a couple requests lately about countertops and the Backsplash grout caulking separating from the countertops. So what I'm going to do today is just kind of explain the process and what you need to do as a homeowner on how to correct that. So basically I'm going to start off with a grout sponge that you can pick up at any hardware store. I've also got a 5-in-1 tool, but just a putty knife or a scraper of some sort that's not too sharp would work. And then basically you're going to have a caulk gun, and then the grout caulking, the product we use is Tech brand, and then there's a variety of different colors. So once you know the color of grout caulking, then you can purchase that at most hardware stores. Our tile suppliers where we typically get it from. So what you're going to do is start off with where your caulking is starting to shrink and separate away from the countertops here, and you just use your scraper and just come in at an angle and just lightly get rid of all that old caulking. It's just dried out. And then it comes out in a strand like this. Sometimes it comes out in pieces. But you're basically just going to scrape the old stuff out. And if you wanted to take a vacuum, you could. I usually, before this is wet, I just take that and just wipe it across there to kind of clean it out. So the key is to keep your grout sponge as dry as possible. So basically you're going to get it damp and then just wring it out really good so that it's almost dry, but it's not. And the reason being is if you put too much moisture on this grout caulking, it'll come out kind of light colored and watery looking. So then with my caulk gun, I'm just going to cut the tip off about 1/8 of an inch. And then I'm just going to apply a small bead. And I usually just kind of start. And if you get a little bit too much, that's okay, because you can always clean it up. And then you're just going to take your finger back across it. And then with your grout sponge, just like grouting tile, you're just going to simply wipe across it a couple, 2-3 times. And just kind of make sure it's smooth and you don't have too much product on there. That's basically all you need to know or to do to regrout your countertops. Appreciate you guys taking the time to tune into our blog today. If you have more questions on how to grout that or questions related to Charleston Homes, feel free to check out our website, charlestonhomesomaha.com. Thank you.